I am Jennifer White. I took Semester at Sea in fall of 2010.
My name is Wade Buckley, and I sailed with Semester at Sea in the spring of 2010.
My name is Patrick Jones. I'm from Calgary. I'm a second-year poli-sci student at the University of Calgary.
We left from Mexico and we sailed west.
We went to Spain, Morocco, Ghana,
Scotland, Ireland, Finland, Sweden, Norway,
South Africa, Mauritius, India, Singapore, Vietnam, Cambodia,
Russia, Estonia, and Poland, and then back to England.
When I got back home, I was so excited to share my vast range of experiences with my family. There was not one specific one that I could point to, and I think that speaks volumes about Semester at Sea. It's just, there's so much that you can experience that going to one country just won't provide you. This program shows you the whole world.
The ship is so cool. I mean, you're essentially in a residence where you're with everyone every day, 24 hours. So it's pretty fantastic.
I would wake up, I'd go and get breakfast and eat out on one of the decks. And it was really nice because some days you could watch the sunrise, and the other days I would remember watching a pack of dolphins following the ship while I was eating my bacon. Like, that was the best view I've ever had when I was eating breakfast.
The knowledge that you're exposed to, the professors, the other students, the alumni, everyone on the voyage is great to contribute to your overall experience.
And then the staff members are all there, and they all offer insights and different opinions and different experiences, which really enrich your knowledge, and then the networking from there is unbelievable.
The on-land experience is really whatever you make it. There's no typical day. You can do excursions organized through the school, or you can go and do whatever you want to do. I mean, it's really whatever you want it to be is what it's going to be.
You do these field trips where you're able to see how people live at a personal level.
When I have conversations with people now and we're talking about a country, I can be like, I was there. I saw this and I learned about it firsthand.
Semester at Sea in itself, just putting it on your resume as a business student, gives you a huge advantage over anyone. I mean, the world is at your fingertips essentially now. You can do business in any country very easily. Quite a few of the people I traveled with started different not-for-profit, whether it was building schools or bringing fresh water or things like that. So there's definitely many opportunities to change the world, and it's pretty cool.
Semester at Sea gives you an opportunity to travel in a way that you would never be able to for the rest of your life. And it's an experience that's going to stay with you forever.
If you love to travel and you want to see a bunch of countries really quickly, Semester at Sea is the thing for you.